So you're given 3 coordinates. We know this is isosceles because we're told that these two sides are the same. We're asked to find the area of this triangle. How do you find area of a triangle? What's the formula for finding the area of a triangle? Base times height divided by 2. Which part of this triangle represents the base? QR. Okay, so we actually have to find the length of Q to R, so we have to use a distance formula to find the base. How do you find the height of a triangle? Where does the height go from? The height, okay, this is what's important here. The height is drawn from, it goes from a vertex, so we'll use P, to the midpoint of the opposite side, right? That will tell us the height of the triangle. Does anyone remember what this line is called when you have a from a vertex to a midpoint?
Median.
Good. We need to find the length of the median. Okay. So because this question we don't actually have to find the median. We don't need to know the equation of that. We just need to know the distance from P to, let's call this M for midpoint. Okay. So we only really need to find the midpoint and then calculate the distance from P to M. We don't need to know what the median is, but I wanted to review what that line is called. Okay, so x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. I'm finding the length of the base using the distance formula. 8 take away 5. 4 take away 7. Negative 3. 3 squared. Square root of 18, approximately 4.2. So the base of this triangle is 4.2. Now we need to find the height in order to find the area. Again, we know that the height goes from P to the midpoint of QR, right? So let's first find the midpoint of QR. Okay, everyone get that? So halfway between coordinate QR is located at 6.5. 5.5. Well, what do I need to do with that information now? Good. We need to know the distance from P to the midpoint. Well, now I have the coordinates of the midpoint, and I already had the coordinate of P. Find the length of this line segment so we can use it to find the area, right? This is the height. Okay, so plugging it into distance formula, we have 4.5 squared plus 4.5 squared, which is equal to the square root of 40.5, which equals what? 6.4. Good. Okay, now can we find the area of the triangle? The question asked us to find the area of the triangle. What was the base? 4.2 times what's the height that we just found? 6.4 divided by 2. What is the area of this triangle? 13.44, and we need units. The question told us that each unit represented 1 meter, so meters squared. The area of this triangle is 13.44 meters squared.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.